I never made it, but I know what it takes. I'm motivated by a mix of emotion. Got my statement, and I'm reading it slow so I can understand it fully.
Hi, and thank you for watching. I am going to be doing an unboxing of some Funko Pop Rick and Morty figures that I ordered online. Now, when you are ordering from a third-party vendor, you are never quite sure what you're going to get and what condition it's going to be in. So let's see what we got here. So the box arrived a little bent, and overall it's in good shape, but I'm kind of worried about that. It's got a dent here, dent there. We'll see. We'll see. Always remember to cut the ends of your boxes first and then pull them up so that you're not going to accidentally cut into your figures. I think they have stuck the receipt on the top, so it's a little much to cut into. Okay. My receipt. And here are my figures. They look like they're in really good shape. So they've packaged them in some little plastic container that's not a stack box. So, you know, I was going to be putting it in one of the Funko stack boxes, but they've put it in something else. And so what we've got here are Alien Rick and Alien Morty. I am so excited to get these, and they look like they're in really good condition. These were 2018 Spring Convention exclusives, and very cool. So thanks for tuning in. I'm a happy shopper.